dog's not being a pain in the ass. You're not helping.
That's it. You might as well include her in your video.
Yeah,
she's always there.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, welcome back to another No Limits 4x4 video. Something a bit different, still in the shed. I have Ray here from Jeep and Oz as well.
G'day guys.
He's going to give us a hand. Taking a break from working on the big dual cabs and the Grand. And we're going to make some fire pits for Jeep Jamboree, which is either coming up or long gone, one of the two.
If it's coming up, it's on the 29th. Legends everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming up, it's on the 29th of September at Woodford. Otherwise, it was on the 29th of September at Woodford.
Yeah, and it was great.
Yeah, it's an awesome weekend. You should have been there.
But basically, what was it? For them to allow fires at the campground, they wanted it in fire pits. So, I think, was it Jeep Freaks?
Jeep Freaks has organised it all.
So they basically said, we'll make a big heap of fire pits, and Jeff here's got stuck with making a few.
Yep. Yeah, do our part for the event. And we just, there's probably better ways to make fire pits than what we're about to show you, but we're doing it the way that Jeep Freaks are doing it, and they supply us everything.
It's sort of a nice, quick, basically DIY backyard job. Like, it's a very quick, easy way to do it.
Yeah.
And I'm the grinder bitch.
That's it.
But, so what's your plan? What are we doing?
So, first things, they've got us some kegs, which I'm not really sure where they got these from. I'm not going to ask.
Knows.
Yep, stay out of that. Yeah, so they've just been cut in half.
Sliced.
Very
Looks like plasma.
Yeah.
But you'd be able to use grinder, sawzall.
Yeah.
But I think plasma would definitely be the easiest way if you had access to one.
Yeah, it is the quickest way to do it. So they've also bent up some Rio legs for them. Pretty basic sort of thing. And pretty well, we're just going to weld them on there.
Straight like that.
Straight like that. One at each end.
Actually, the beauty of that too, if this was a backyard fire pit, you could weld that on an angle.
Yeah.
And direct your heat straight at where you're sitting.
Yeah, that's it.
But I think ours are going to be basically a full communal sit around thing, so you'll be breaking the plasma out as well, I think you said.
Yeah, we're going to cut some air holes in the side of these because they're apparently the ones they tested didn't put out a huge amount of heat.
Yeah, you said it was all radiating.
Yeah, it all went
up,
straight
but
up.
because there's no air vent, there's nowhere for air to suck in. I think it wasn't raging as much as
it could be.
We could turn them up to.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll blow some holes in them.
Yeah. All right. So what do we got? We got. I'll grind. You can glue.
Yep.
Seeing as though I can't weld, I can't see. And then what else? We got to blow holes in the end. You want to blow the holes first?
I'll blow the holes in first.
Blow the holes first.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is going to happen for them a lot quicker than it happens for us.
Yeah.
Because we're about to hit that magic button.
That's it. We'll bust out the Unimig stuff. Unimig plasma cutter and welder.
I got the Unimig plasma cutter
Yeah,
too.
Unimig plasma cutter as well.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Does a magic job.
It's going to make it a bit easier.
It is. Speed things up.
Because being stainless, I'd hate to be sitting here with a hole saw or a drill.
Oh, step drill.
Drilling holes.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That'd be a mission.
Alright, let's get into it.
Sweet. So we've cleaned up all this edge on it.
Because it wasn't.
Yeah, no, they were fresh plasma cut in half. So to try and stop people hurting themselves.
It seems like they are going to be in the public.
Yeah.
Blew a few breather holes.
Yeah. Yeah, put a hole in each end of it to let a bit of air in and really get that fire going.
And we customised them to Jeep. So each one's got a Jeep prefix in it. And I think we covered all of them pretty well, other than the greens.
Yeah, it didn't get into the grands, but
Just the full sizes and all the little shorties.
yeah.
But now it's time to put them together.
Yeah. So yeah, we just got to mocked up on a couple of bricks to get our height, so they'll all be about the same height.
So nice and square, we can get them sitting relatively level.
Yeah. And then we'll weld on these lovely precision bent legs.
So we've worked out Jeff's going to have to go through and cut them all at the right lengths because they're all different leg lengths. But it should weld on there well anyway.
Yeah, it should work.
But we'll get to making some glue.
Yep. We'll do good welds while we still have gas.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's not a stick. Action. Go for it.
Well, that's got all 10 fire pits welded up. That was not a struggle at all.
No, it went really well.
Yep.
All these were bent to perfection.
Yep. Yes. They must use a quality jig to make them all identical.
I hate to see what the rest are going to be like.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
But they all went together well.
Yeah.
So, this one's FSJ. So this is us.
Yep. Yeah. Full size Jeeps.
Yep. But so every one of them's got their own little prefix. That'll be awesome.
Yeah.
I think it'll only be ours, the one that we made that'll got that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I doubt Jai's done that.
No, I think so. But now it's going to work out how to load them all on the cars to get them to Jambo.
Yeah. Yeah, how to store them until then.
Yeah.
Yeah. There. We'll get them all over there and Jai can hand them out and do whatever he wants to do with them.
Everyone can enjoy a fire at camp.
Yeah. Yes. So if you are coming to Jambo, tetanus shots.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
One hurt.
There's a few sharp edges.
Yeah.
A lot less now.
Yeah, a lot less. On ours.
Yeah.
We don't take responsibility for the others.
Should have good little fires.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll work well.
Yeah. But basically,
Yeah.
Hopefully it helps people out there that want to make a quick, easy fire pit and sort of shows everyone in Jambo where they came from.
Yeah, that's it. Well, it's a pretty straightforward thing if you want to make one for yourself.
Yeah. Very, very straightforward and easy.
Yeah.
And I'm sure, like, I don't think these kegs are hard to find.
No.
A lot of people use kegs and gas bottles. If you use a gas bottle, just remember watch how you cut it.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure it's empty first.
Yeah, and cut it with a saw, not a grinder or anything.
Yeah. Yeah. We're not responsible if you hurt yourself.
Yeah.
At all. No responsibility. This is for
ours were
entertainment.
non-flammable drums.
Yeah. This was for entertainment value, not learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, thanks to Ray for giving us a hand.
Anytime. Have a ball. Better than sitting in the caravan.
Yeah, that's it. Jump over to his channel.
Jeep and Oz.
Yep.
Yeah, if you want to watch some travelling, we're always there to watch.
Yeah. Probably
Jeep's there for the Jeep. Jeff's there for the Jeep builds.
Yep. Yeah. Probably a lot more common more scheduled uploads from you guys than what I do.
Yeah, we try and do every Saturday, but
Yeah.
you can't always.
Yeah, that's it.
You can't always plan it.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, if you like this, give us a like, follow, subscribe,
Any
tell your
comments?
friends. Yeah, comments. Tell us what we did wrong.
Yeah, show us. Tell us what you've made.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
See you next time.
Alright.